What's with the buzz around botanicals? Dried flowers and herbs are making their way into lots of bath, beauty, and home fragrance products lately, which has stood out to us as we stay on top of trends in the industry. If you make diffusers, this is a great opportunity for you to incorporate these little beauties into your product design. To make botanical reed diffusers, you'll need a clear diffuser bottle that clearly shows what's inside. Black or amber bottles can make it difficult to see the pretty flowers floating around inside. As always, stick with the general guideline of using glass bottles with a narrow neck to keep the fragrance from evaporating too fast. I find it easier to put the botanicals in before the diffuser liquid. Small flower buds like these work best, as bigger petals can be a pain to get into the bottle, but it's not entirely impossible. Soaking the flowers in the diffuser liquid before pouring it all in the bottle can make them more flexible so they get through the neck better. I picked these little white flower petals to go with our version of Raleigh Hotel's White Tea and Thyme fragrance oil, which I'm using to scent the diffuser. Certain design elements blend better with certain fragrances. For a soft herbal and slightly floral fragrance like this one, botanicals work really well design-wise. Something musky and masculine, on the other hand, may not be as cohesive. Although they don't have much of a scent, these little flowers can slightly change the smell of the fragrance that you're using. So keep that in mind when deciding whether you want to try this out. As usual, I'm using our AFI Luxe Diffuser base. Check the IFR limits for category 10B on whatever fragrance you're using, because you or your customer's hand will come in contact with the fragrance when flipping the reeds throughout its use. It's important that you're remaining at safe usage levels. In this instant, our version of White Tea and Thyme will be safe to use at 15% concentration of the total container volume. Place a stopper in the bottle if it'll go into your inventory, or enjoy it right away by fitting the bottle with your reeds. These unique wavy reeds pair really nicely with the botanicals, giving the entire diffuser a natural flow. And that wraps up this project. This is such an easy way to enhance your diffusers with a look that stands out from the other plain bottles on the market. Do you know of any other ways to keep your reed diffusers looking fun and fresh in the industry that's growing fast? Well, let us know down below. It's been fun here in the AFI Project Lab. Again, I'm Maddie, and I'll see you guys in the next video really soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!